remedies for skin allergies and itching and other things that are so simple, you'll be shocked. My name is Manssi. I am a canine nutritionist and a holistic wellness practitioner. And in this channel, Beyond the Bowl, we plan to do just that. We plan to talk about everything nutrition as well as beyond, about wellness and lifestyle and lots of tips. One of my most favorite home remedies is Kailash Jeevan. Now this is a human ointment. You will get it in most medical stores. You get it on Amazon as well. As you can see, I tend to keep very large tubs at home because I love it so much and I use it for so many different things. One of the things that I do use it for is cuts and scrapes as well as calming down an itch on my dogs. So Buffy tends to get these ear infections, and just applying this on his really red kind of inflamed skin calms down the itchiness of it so instantaneously that it almost makes him stop itching. And if he doesn't itch it or scratch it, then he's actually not going to create a wound. But if there is a wound on your dog's body or little cuts and scrapes, you can use it on that as well. Like I said, it is lick safe. It is very cooling. I also have used it on little scratches that he does sometimes on the corner of the eye here. And because it's so cooling, it actually just heals it literally magically overnight. So I absolutely love it and highly recommend it. Garlic is yet another one of my absolute favorite home remedies because not only does it have great nutrients for heart health, it also is excellent for tick and flea prevention. Now, yes, there is no clinical trials on this, and yes, it is not really proven, but there is enough anecdotal evidence. Now, since garlic is actually good in general for health, and we think it might act as tick and flea prevention, I just don't see the harm in adding it because it also adds flavor to your dog's food. So the way to do it is you can always add it into your dog's cooking, sure. But they say that if you add raw crushed garlic into your dog's food just before feeding them, it gives better benefits. So that is what I'm doing. I've just crushed the garlic, popped it into my dog's food, and now I'm going to feed it. Chamomile flowers and chamomile tea is well known for soothing as well as calming down. It also can be used for itchiness. So the way I like to use it is for my anxious dog who is also very itchy. Get great quality chamomile flowers. Make sure they're actually flowers and not a powder so that you're sure about what you're buying. And it is as simple as take your flowers, steep them in not extremely boiling water, but hot enough, and just let them rest for about 10 or 15 minutes, just like we would with our own tea. And then we're going to strain it and put it on a spray bottle, or we can use it as a poultice as well if you're looking at a very specific hotspot. Another extremely simple yet extremely effective home remedy for dry skin is a dry skin serum made out of virgin coconut oil. So you need a spray bottle, a good one, and you're going to fill it up about 90% with either distilled water or RO water, that's fine. And then you're going to take a really good quality coconut oil, and I'm using a dropper here so that I can control how much I put into it and I don't want to spill any. But what this does is, instead of relying on just pre-bath massages to keep your dog's skin moisturized, you can actually use this as a serum 2 or 3 times a day and spritz it into the hair, massage it into the skin, and what that will do is give your dog's body a very thin sheer coat of coconut oil that is going to keep the skin moisturized. And you will not see any of that dry itching that happens or flakiness. So you just got a little bit of coconut oil, shake it vigorously, right? Because it's going to mix up. And all you want to do is we're going to spray this onto our dog's body. You can use it 2 or 3 times, but it's just so nice and very gently moisturized. If you have liked the tips that we have shared here, please don't forget to save the video. Definitely share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe.